And it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fart stand. All my shit is new age, I'm new wave. About to hang out with your baby, yeah, there's a due date. Came to win, I ain't come to play.
What's the bag for?
I'm going to the bank, I got proof too, it's some pictures. From the party, I snoop groups of bitches doing 3 the hallway. Army, me and my Molly, couple girls I call, hit the mall in like Kevin's head. We ball, and it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fart stand. And it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fart stand. I'm an animal, an actual mythology beast. My cannabis so good it have you having Mike Tyson speech. I eat MCs, bars and beats. Yeah. Still picking out the baseline from my teeth. I've been in the background waiting for my moment.
Let's get into exactly what you're gonna get with this. Okay? Here's what you're gonna get with the Rapper Shortcut. You're gonna get a time management course of millionaires and CEOs. You'll never have an issue finding time to build your music career once you understand how to manage time. Some of the artists that I had surveyed said they didn't think they could find time because they had jobs, and they had kids, and they had girls that drained their time, they had their girlfriends and wives, and well, problem solved. Next, and we got how to rap, back to the basics. Every single fundamental of rapping, from counting bars to punchlines, wordplay, assonance, and everything explained. Some people want to be rappers but don't even know where to start, and they keep getting lost in a circle of how to get a grip on getting good. Couldn't figure that out? Well, I solved that problem too. Next, some artists only wanted to know, what do I need to know in the first year of my music career? I made an entire book, yes, book, but I also turned it into videos for you. I made an entire book that I'm gonna be so happy to release and finalize and get out there and make hard copies of. And it teaches you the 55 things that I know that music artists need to know in their first year of their entire music career. The 55 things that I wish that I had known that would have accelerated me. Then you get the artist name brander. Now this is to make sure that you have the best name that works for your brand to fast track your success and get faster name recognition, okay? You don't want to get stuck with the wrong name forever. In this, I show you how to choose the perfect name that makes the most sense for you. Then you have something that's going to change the whole game for you, okay? The most important part of your entire music career from the beginning that most artists never want to take seriously is branding themselves. With this master video series, you're shown step by step how to brand yourself. We help you choose your archetype. And if you don't know what an archetype is, that's already a huge sign that your career is set up wrong. That's a huge problem. If you don't know what an archetype is, you're already messing up. Like you're not on the right path. This series helps you choose your brand message, target your fan base, and turn yourself into a real artist. There's a reason why the first thing that a record label does to an artist when they sign them is brand them. It's because this branding is what gains them the most fans the fastest. When your brand is organized and people can relate the music with the image and the style and they come together as one cohesive thing, everything you do just sticks and you gain fans more. People don't know this. They don't take it seriously. You're a business. This is massively important. And then after you're branded, guess what happens? What? Then you're shown how to choose your entire clothing, hair, shoes, accessories like chains and rings, even your color palette for your artist style and your image. We help you find that so that it matches your brand with what we call the Rapper Style Bible. I think that this right here, this is crazy. Everybody's gonna want this, even if they're gonna want this. Some people might just get the Rapper Shortcut for this. Wow. Then we have what I named the Dream Catcher. Call it the Dream Catcher because it catches, like a net, all of the people that ever hit any of your profiles, your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram. It catches them and puts them into a list for you so you can market to them later. But most people don't know about this. This is some social media agency stuff. And we show you how to set up your website, your email list, Facebook business profiles to set up Facebook pixels to capture data about everyone who ever hits any of your profiles, your web pages, and more. By the time you start releasing music, you'll already have thousands of people. Thousands of people that you can run Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and Spotify ads to on your very first song. And no, this is not a joke. This is really how the Rapper Shortcut is set up. I want to say something real quick. Guess what? All that stuff I just mentioned, that's the first month. That's just month one. We're just getting started. I'm gonna put a list of everything that you're gonna get. Should I explain it? Yep, might as well explain it all. I didn't even mention that you get the fan base formula in month one too, which teaches you actually how gaining fans works. I totally forgot that was even the first month. That's also in month one, which is massive because I break down all the ways that you'll be able to market later and how converting someone into a fan works. Everything from building the awareness to get them into your fan funnel and to getting them to engage, getting them to convert into a paying fan, and then how to retain them as a fan. That's in the first month too. You also get how to find your artist identity. Oh, I forgot that. That's in month one too. Again, there's so much stuff, I'm even forgetting stuff that you're getting in month one. That's in month one too. Then you have the home studio on a budget guide. I give you that. In month two, you're gonna get that. And I'm gonna show you how to build a studio, even with just $50, all the way up to $5,000. Everything and all the options that I recommend that you do to save you money and be able to have a professional sound at home. Really. Then I have the how to set up a home studio guide, which I show you everything. I show you how to set up acoustic treatment in a room. I show you how to position a mic in a room. I show you how to position studio monitors in a room for when you're gonna be mixing later because, oh yeah, I also have a course on how to mix and master your own music and have a radio ready sound. I teach you how to use Pro Tools. Let's keep going. I teach you everything about Instagram and marketing. I'm known as the guy who broke Instagram. I broke Instagram. I made Instagram change their algorithm. You don't even know that? That's how I made a gang of money. And I took that money and I put that in a building smart rapper. You didn't know that, did you? Okay? I know my shit, all right? Teach you YouTube marketing, teach you Spotify marketing, I teach you SoundCloud marketing. I thoroughly researched all of these things, advanced my skills even further for myself. And then I'm taking that information and sharing it with you. We have my course, How I Went From 0 to 1,000 SoundCloud Followers. We have my SoundCloud Booster. We have my SoundCloud Spiker. We have my Spotify Spiker course. How to book shows for yourself, open for major artists, and build relationships with venues. Daily strategies to market your music in 15 minutes a day. How to build a network and actually infiltrate rapper circles and become friends with famous people and then work your way into the industry that way. That's a whole course. That's actually one of my top selling courses. Teach you how to build your email list and make money from your fans by selling merchandise with the email list. I teach you how to make your own website as well as set up your store and your merchandise on your website so you can be making money from that email list. I teach you how to make your own lyric videos so you don't have to worry about shooting music videos or spending money and wasting money on music videos, which was a mistake that I made. Lyric videos work just fine. And then I teach you how to make money selling lyric videos to other artists so you can make money to invest in yourself. Because after you learn how to make lyric videos, you can do them for other artists for like $50 a pop and you'll have a template. You'll just switch the lyrics out after you have like enough templates that you've built and you'll just be making money. And I even teach you how to find rappers that'll pay and how to convince them. There's scripts in there you copy and paste to convince them to buy it from you. Everything here. Okay, let's keep going. I teach you how to start a record label for yourself, legally, business entity, sign artist, sign yourself, and write everything that you buy, including music equipment, lights, CDs, touring, clothes, stuff, anything that you need for your music career. I teach you how to do that and write it all off on taxes through the record label. Yeah, that's a real thing. You think that I pay tax on any of this stuff? No, because I needed all of this stuff. I needed it to do business, therefore it is tax writable. This table, this $3,000 computer, this $5,000 camera, the chair I'm sitting in, everything around me, tax writable. And I show you how to do it. I teach you everything, let's keep going. I made an entire course called Master the Mic, so you can conquer your anxiety and fear when recording or performing and entertaining people in public, okay? I made an entire course on steps and things that you can do to overcome those fears because I've been there. Okay? The fear of people judging you when you're recording. We go through all that. Teaching music trademarking and copywriting so you feel safe and comfortable with your music. I have over 100 videos on music marketing alone. It's hours and hours of just music marketing ideas. Over 100 videos of just music marketing ideas from free to ones that cost money to high-end ones. All in order. You get to learn all those. I have what I call the rap flow router, and that's how you're gonna get a buttery smooth, yes, buttery smooth, I said that, rap flow for yourself, okay? Because you can actually learn rap flow. Everything from stressed and unstressed syllables to iambic pentameters. The basic stuff you didn't even realize that you needed to know when you're actually flowing in rap. I give you access to over 1,000 radio stations' contact information. I give you access to Spotify playlist curators and their contact info. I give you access to all of the hip hop blogs. I just updated that list. We just updated it like 3 days ago. Okay? You get access to everything fully updated. You get the complete list of all music industry contacts, A&Rs, distribution companies, indie labels, major labels. You also get every single music industry contract to protect yourself. You get the Rap Voice Masterclass, which is 5 hours of video and training, day by day, things that you just follow along with to find your rap voice, your voice tone, how your voice works, how to strengthen your voice, how to get a better voice. Because your voice is one of the most important keys and elements of you being able to make it as an artist. If you have the right sound and tone of voice, you can really excel faster. And this helps you find the best voice for your voice that you currently have right now. Essential. Also, that is the #1 course that I've ever sold, and it was the very first course that I ever made for Smart Rapper. I see other people showing people how to rap, and I was like, no. People can rap. They need to learn how to rap and have the voice when they're rapping. And then I give you what I call the Lyricist Effect, okay? It's going to teach you how to do better punchlines and better wordplay to intensify every single lyric that you write so that you seem and hear and sound more like, well, you are more of a lyricist. Instead of being bland and average, I teach how to flip all these words and use them to really stand out. There's a reason I've been posted on the front page of Rap Genius, when it was Rap Genius, as top 5 most lyrical of the month. Bars. Even my dog's name is Bars. That's how much I'm about it. In that, you actually are over my shoulder. I'm writing. I have an entire writing session. You're watching me write, explaining to you how I'm thinking, and you see me use the tools that you can use that you didn't know existed to write better and write faster punchlines, wordplay, as well as real talk lyrics. And I even show you and give you the beats that you need to have a 1-hour daily writing session to get better, for real. Then I give you the songwriting secret sauce. It's how you can make 25 new songs a week. Yes, 25, because I have mastered the step-by-step process to making songs and completing them, organizing the melodies, choosing melodies, putting it all together, writing the lyrics. I have that mastered. You get to say, honestly, that right there, that alone, that course is worth $1,500. That's how much I'm gonna be selling it for. Why? Because it's over 16 hours of video. You're in the studio with me as I explain how I'm doing every single thing.
Wow.
And then, like I said, then you get the mixing course. So you're able to record yourself, and then you're able to mix the music. You're unstoppable. You're unstoppable. You're gonna get a video series on how to shoot photos for yourself. You get a video series on how to create your single artwork. You get a video series on how record labels release singles so you can do it the right way. So you can have a marketing strategy for actually releasing a single properly and building all the assets and the marketing tools that you need for its best probability for success. And there's more. There's more. There's more. Every single step is in this. Everything. And if you're in the beta testing group and you tell us that we're missing something, well, I'm gonna fix that too. This is the #1 thing that's gonna change the rap industry. The music industry is gonna be changed because of this. I'm telling you, the rapper shortcut. And you get to be part of it. For real.